Well, Glenn.
Aye, settle in, you daft bampots, for a wild tale of Kevin and Lance finding themselves in a right stinking mess at a tattoo shop. Picture this, a sun-soaked afternoon in Glenfinnan, and the trio's hanging out at Jokum's Tattoos, the dodgiest ink haven this side of the Clyde, run by their mate Jashee Poseur, a tattoo artist with more ambition than actual skill. So there they were, lounging on beat-up chairs, messing about like a pair of drunken monkeys. Jashee Poseur had a customer in the chair, a daft woman named Karen, who wanted a tattoo that said "Live, Laugh, Love." But your pal Jashee Poseur, bless his heart, got a wee bit carried away when he started inking, and by the time Lance noticed, the tattoo already read "Live, Lagh, Love." Poseur, Lance piped up, "Ye ken you've made a balls up, right?" Jashee Poseur, always one for a bit of denial, waved his hand dismissively. "No bother, it's a new trend. Best thing since sliced haggis, trust me." Kevin, ever the optimist, thought maybe they could wriggle out of this sticky situation. "Aye, let's no let on," he suggested. "We'll just convince her it's a special Gaelic thing, she'll be none the wiser." Coordinating like a pair of drunk synchronised swimmers, Kevin and Lance whirled around the customer, flashing their best muppety grins. "Oh, Karen lassie," Kevin bellowed, "do you ken that's actually a Gaelic expression? Means you're living, laughing and loving in style." "Aye," Lance chimed in, thinking he could contribute somewhat worthwhile. "It's, like, trying to capture the essence of joy and stuff. Pure poetry it is." Poor Karen looked a bit bewildered, squinting at her newly inked arm like it was some kinda alien life form. "Really? But I wanted it to say, 'Live, laugh, love.'" "Exactly," said Kevin, almost popping a blood vessel in excitement. "You see, the Lagh is a, rare Scottish dialect. New, exclusive. Only the wisest of the wise use it." Karen, not becoming any brighter, nodded as if they were enlightening Plash her. "Oh, I see. How unique." The two eejits exchanged a frantic look while Jashee Poseur stood behind the chair, sweat dripping down his forehead like he was at a Highland Games event. As Karen started taking pics of her tattoo, Lance blurted, "And you ken what? We can just make it trend. Start a hashtag like #LaggingLife or something." Minutes stretched into eternity until the customer finally left, blissfully ignorant of the tattoo's monumental flub. As soon as she was out the door, Kevin burst into raucous laughter, thinking they'd outsmarted the universe. "Jashee Poseur, ye wee twit, you nearly gave me a heart attack," Lance yelled, clutching his sides. "New trend, eh? It's going to be more popular than a bairn at a sweetie shop." Jashee Poseur, looking about as royal as a cat in a bath, groaned, "Aye, cheers, lads. Next time I'll just spell it right, or let you do it." And so, the three Muppets had barely scraped by without the wrath of a livid customer. They swore to keep the blunder from getting out, but the story of Lagh was already beginning to weave its way into the folklore of Tatt City, and who knew what future chump would come in asking for it? And if you ever find yourself in a tattoo shop where the ink flows like the whiskey, just remember this pair of clowns. If you see Karen's tat, be prepared to laugh your arse off at /LaggingLife. Scottish style. See you later, you daft bastards. Make for sure you like and subscribe or I'll mess you up real good.